storm in the Azim Premji University in the Bengaluru campus. The ABVP protesters are accused of vandalizing university property. They've also scribbled "Ban Spark" on the entrance wall as well. ABVP was protesting against a discussion allegedly organized on the occasion of 35 years of the state violence in Kunal Pushpora in Jammu and Kashmir. So the ABVP was alleging that there was an anti-national discussion that was scheduled in the Azim Premji University. They said that it was being organized under the banner of Spark, and it sought to center the voices of Kashmiri women and claim atrocities by the forces. So the ABVP storming into the campus, saying that there is an anti-national agenda that is playing out in the university. The university, though, later issued a clarification and said that no such event was scheduled. My colleague gets us a report of the situation that was unfolding in Azim Premji University. Take a look.
Well, right now we are joined by students of Azim Premji University. What exactly happened this evening?
So apparently at the evening we saw that a few goons from ABVP came here, protested outside and, destroyed the posters and all these things. And then they tried to climb in that gate, if you can show it. They tried to climb in and came inside. All the students were there. Then they went nearby Kaveri Pumpuhar, started shouting, protesting and all these things. And then when the students who were there, who tried to resist them, what they did, they again went inside, and even the so-called police was going with them, and the students had to go in because they charged their slogan against the student. Right now you have the power, right now you have the money, right now you have the so-called institutional goons with you. You will just come and annihilate whatever you want. It's not about any particular club in Azim Premji University. It's a larger fight that we see. It's a larger fight against those who want to have a free university space.
So we were going to conduct a program in which we were trying to discuss about the Kashmir Kunal Pushpora incident that happened in 1991. So somehow they get the information, and the mob came in. And, they just trespassed into the campus, and they started making the slogans like anti-national APU, ban Spark, and all. That's it. The event is about if people know the Kunal Pushpora incident in 19, and we were having a discussion on a book. That's it.
Right, we have breaking updates now coming in as the Azim Premji storm rages. The ABVP from Karnataka has written to the Home Minister as well, Amit Shah, demanding strict action against the All India Students Association and its affiliated Spark, the organization which wanted to carry out this event. In fact, the ABVP has also demanded action against Azim Premji University for facilitating such events on the campus. My colleague Navya joins us on the broadcast with the details. In fact, she also reported from the university. You heard her speaking to the students as well. So Navya, what happened? Did the event take place or not? The ABVP alleging that this is a anti-national topic, anti-India topic that was taken up for discussion. They made some serious allegations against the group that organized the event and also the university for allowing it.
Well, yes, Pratibha, in fact, last night we have seen how a storm unfolded between the Azim Premji University and ABVP. Well, we are learning that around 6 yesterday, the ABVP entered the university campus premises and vandalized the name boards and signboards of the university, smearing black paint over it. While all these unfolded in the backdrop of an event, a seminar that was held by the Spark organization of the university that held talk on the Kunal Pushpara incident, marking the remembrance of 35 years that happened in 1991. Also citing justice was denied. Well, ABVP has strongly condemned this, citing that it was derogatory to the Indian Army, and they also accused the university for holding such event and having anti-national agendas within the university. We have seen, the storm that was unfolded yesterday at the university, and later the cops visited the spot, and heavy police deployments were also there, while ABVP had also written to Home Minister Amit Shah, demanding strict action against the university for holding such talks and spreading across a message with an intent of anti-national agendas there. And we have also seen after that the police have detained some of the ABVP protesters, and later on they held talks with the vice chancellors as well. While the entire event, as we see, some students, like we spoke yesterday to them, they say they were behaving like goons and vandalized the college properties. Late in the night, the university students within the university also conducted a protest, sloganeering that ABVP protesters must be arrested. How can they enter our university? We have the right to speak against, we have the right to discuss, and this is our university premises. Nobody has a right to stop it. While we are yet to know what exactly right now the situation is, but this is the entire thing that unfolded yesterday in the Azim Premji University, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. So now in the latest, the ABVP activists, many of them have also been taken into custody. Navya, thank you for getting us all those details. But before we let you go, let's